Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are. My name is Nabudde. I just hope that everyone has had a fantastic 2021, and I have to acknowledge that we've lost some of our members. We left them in 2021, but it's a blessing that we are also here in 2022. So I just wanted to come out and wish everyone a happy 2022, and also to thank everyone who has stayed with us in 2021. We started 2021 with 2,800 followers, and we have ended the year, or we have started 2022 with more than 4,800 members. So I can just say that this church, this channel of Enyimbazakristo has doubled again, and it's all owed to you who are following, who are sharing what we broadcast here, to Pale followers, enyimbazakristo hymns followers, and all the other programs that we have put on this channel. And I have to apologize. We promised that we will do health ministries on this channel, but unfortunately, because of the unforeseen problems or blessings, we were not able to deliver that program. But I do hope that we'll be able to rectify that in this year. So this year it is going to be the same. We will still deliver more hymns on the channel. We have got now more than 110. We now have more than 110 hymns with words, Luganda words, and music, the solfa notation, our traditional way of learning music. So for those of us who cannot read staff notation, we have the alternative of solfa notation. So please keep learning these hymns and using them in your worship. And this year, 2022, we promise to deliver at least the first volume of Enyimba into Kuvu. Enyimba into Kuvu has been in production over 2021 and is moving swiftly. So look out for Enyimba into Kuvu, the printed version as well as the sung hymns. These are hymns written by fellow Ugandans, and others will be translated from other sources. But we do hope that you'll be blessed by this project. And as we requested last year, please, the opportunities are still there for anyone who wants to get engaged with this project. Enyimba into Kuvu, 1,000 hymns in Luganda, mostly composed by fellow Ugandans. So please get in contact with us and tell us how you can support this project. Each hymn, we worked out that it costs about emitwalo musambu, 70,000. I think it translates to something like $50 per hymn to put together, to translate, to typeset, to print it, and to make it available for everyone to learn with solfa notation as well as the audio version. So please support this work, support our work, and share. The most important thing is to share what we share with you here. So this year, I'm not going to promise what we are going to do because it promises to be a very, very busy year. I'm just going to leave it open, and if you've got anything that you'd like to be broadcast on this channel, please get in contact with us. We promise to keep putting out sermons, and I personally promise to get back on sermons based on Luganda proverbs. And last year I gave you a snippet. This year I'm going to give you a little bit more. And the book itself has also been in production, and it is coming out. I have been slow in writing, but I'm getting back on what I tasked myself to do. I promise to publish more books this year than I have done in the last 3 years, where I haven't put out anything. Some of my work is going to be slightly on the saucy side, but that is human nature. That is the whole person. That is me. And others will be on the more spiritual nature, and look out for those as well. And like I say, the Luganda proverbs, there's so much that we can give each other and we can share with each other. What is there left to say than to say a very happy new year from the team of enyimbazakristo for you and your families and everyone that you get in contact with. God bless you.